Hey y'all, welcome back to Them Normans. So this particular video, we're going to be a cook and clean with me. I am cooking cabbages, some fried whitened cornbread, and also I'm going to make me a peach cobbler. So y'all come along for the ride. Let's get it. Catfish. Well, it ain't catfish, but it's white. But y'all, it's so good. Y'all look at my cornbread. Ain't it pretty? It's so pretty. Here's the cabbage. Y'all know when I do my cabbages, I always make sure I put onion powder, garlic powder, and lemon pepper. Y'all will. If you're from the South, baby, when you making your homemade cornbread, you gotta make sure that you have cornmeal, flour. I put some sugar in mine. Everybody don't put sugar in theirs. I put some grease in there, milk, water, and an egg. And what I battered the fish with was, well, the seasons that I used, was onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and also lemon pepper. And it is so good, y'all. Okay, so I love the crust part. I need to lay off that. But it's so good. And hold on, let's look for the peach cobbler. All right. And here's the peach cobbler. Y'all, that looks so good. I'm telling you, y'all, we be trying to cook, you know, we be trying to be bougie and whatnot. But that's gonna be our dessert. But thank y'all for looking at the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and tap that bell for me. Thank you.
Gotta catch up, gotta shine now. Cause I've been blessed up, I've been rolled out. Gotta catch up, gotta shine.